This is the second part of Pythagoras theorem. The first part is already done with us, that is Pythagorean triplets, and it is of 1 marks. The revision is that we will have a triplets. We have to decide the largest number and just make it a square. Then on second step you can add both the sums and have a revision as we did in last lecture. See. 3, 5, 4, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16. The largest number is equal to the sum of the two numbers that are remaining. If it is equal, then it is a Pythagorean triplet. Otherwise, it is not a Pythagorean triplet. So this is the revision, and now we will start with theorem of geometric means. The statement first. Statement is in a right angled triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. Statement: in a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. This is a right angle triangle. A, B, C. BD is perpendicular to side AC. What is given? In theorem, we have to write the statement, then we will draw the diagram, then we will continue with given. In a triangle ABC, observe the figure. Once you will observe the figure, you will be getting exactly the given, proof and proof. Just observe the figure. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 degree. Segment BD is perpendicular to seg AC. And this is hypotenuse side. 90 degrees opposite side is hypotenuse. Such that, what we are getting, such that ABC is 90 degree. Seg BD is perpendicular to hypotenuse AC, such that A dash D dash C. What we have to prove here is, BD square is equal to AD multiplied by DC. BD square is equal to AD multiplied by DC. Now we will start with proof. What is the proof? How we can prove? In triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. This we have from given. Second, sec AD is perpendicular to hypotenuse AC. Therefore, triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. Triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. Both triangles are similar to each other. The reason here is similarity of right angled triangle. Therefore, from the figure we can say that AD upon BD is equal to BD upon DC. The reason is corresponding sides of similar triangles. Similar triangles. Similar triangles. AD, PD, BD and DC. This and this. Therefore, from above we can prove that after cross multiplication, BD multiplied by BD is BD square and AD multiplied by DC. So this is proved. Proved. Once again, theorem of geometric means in a right angle triangle, perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segments divided. Given, prove and we have proved. This question might come for 2 marks or 4 marks also. This is the second part of Pythagoras theorem chapter. The third part which we will start will be theorem of Pythagoras. Now we will start with few sums. In 1 or 2 sums you will get the whole knowledge what I mean to explain you in the geometric means chapter. Now the question here is in figure. There is one figure given to you in which QPR is 90 degree and seg PM is perpendicular to seg QR and such that Q dash M dash R, where PM is equal to 10 centimeter, QM is equal to 8 centimeter, you have to find sec QR. This is a triangle given to you in which P, Q, R and PM is perpendicular to QM such that PM is 10 and QM is 8. We have to find QR. So, solution. First, in triangle QPR, angle QPR is equal to 90 degree. That is given to you. Second, PM is perpendicular to hypotenuse QR. That is also given to you in the question. Now, by theorem of geometric mean, we can prove it that QR is equal to 20.5. We have to solve the question. So, by theorem of geometric mean, PM square is equal to QM multiplied by MR. PM square, theorem of geometric mean, PM square is equal to QM multiplied by MR. PM square is 10, QM is 8 and MR we don't know. 10 tens are 100, 8 into MR. Therefore, MR is equal to 100 upon 8. The value of MR after division is 12.5 centimeters. Next, QR, which we actually want to search it. MR plus QM or QR is equals to QM plus MR. Value of QM is 8. MR from above is 12.5 such that Q dash M dash R. The value here we get is 20.5 centimeters. This is your answer, students, of sec QR. Further, we will try to solve this in easy maths. 108th part. 100 ka 50% you will get. Then you have to get 25% and then we will get 1/8. It is easy. We will try to solve this in algebra class. Now we will have a revision of this again. This is PQR such that PM is 10. QM is 8. Theorem of geometric mean, PM square is equal to QM into MR. Square of PM is 10, that is 100. 8 we will divide and the value is 12.5. So QR is equal to MR plus QM. The value here is 20.5 centimeter and we proved it and got it. This is your final answer. Few questions which are in the textbook, you can try to solve it. Nothing more in this theorem of geometric means. If you get through the statement, you can easily solve the questions. Thank you students, and we will soon upload the theorem of Pythagoras so that the chapter is completed for you.